Just by watching free videos on this platform, you can earn up to $150 daily. You just need to listen to me so I can teach you how you can earn up to $150 daily with each click and each video you watch using this amazing site. Hello guys, welcome to a new video on earning dollars. My name is Reza, and in this video I want to teach you how you can reach the income I mentioned at the beginning of the video using this site. If you enjoy watching my videos, subscribe right now. Let's move on to registration. We click on Get Started. In the first section, you enter your first name, and in the second section, your last name or family name. Now, you enter your date of birth. Now specify your gender. You enter your email, set a password, solve the CAPTCHA by clicking on the CAPTCHA option, and then click on the sign up option or create account. It doesn't matter. And it will take you to the site's dashboard. Look guys, this site is really good, very, very good, but it has some points to consider. That means you need to bring in referrals for yourself. It has a lot of advertisements. It doesn't allow you to watch more than 5 videos a day, and for each referral you bring, it gives you approximately $1, which means if you bring in 1,000 referrals, you can earn $1,000. And over the course of 3 weeks, you need to watch the videos completely. Every day, after watching 20 or 21 videos, it allows you to withdraw. If we click on the 3-line option on the right, and then click on My Account, you can view your account from this section and make your withdrawal. Take your referral link, and I will also provide the website link in the description of this video so that you can enter the site without any issues, start earning, and achieve financial independence in your life. If you click on the My Account option and then click on Withdraw, it will show you the methods and ways you can use to make a withdrawal. But before that, I'll show you the referral section, where for each person you invite to this site and who registers, you receive $1. If you bring in 100 people, you get $100, 200 people, $200. I have currently brought in 204 people. And soon I will show you the proof of withdrawal from this site. You can take your referral link and share it with your friends and acquaintances so that you can experience a significant dollar income. No matter where you are in the world, with the free videos I produce for you, you can achieve income and independence in your life and experience financial independence and a very, very prosperous life. The withdrawal methods of this platform include PayPal, WebMoney, and now Payoneer. Any method you want is available for you to use. Start your income and withdraw it using any method you prefer. If we click on the Profile Now option, you can change your email and many other methods. The only downside of this platform is that kids, be aware it has a lot of advertisements, which is natural given the income it provides and the many dollars we receive. They really have the right to have all these advertisements on the platform. If you enjoy watching my videos, subscribe to the channel right now, turn on the page bell. And most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now, and let's get ready for tomorrow night's videos. I love you all very much. We have some cool videos for the next 2 or 3 days that I definitely recommend you watch, so you can benefit from my experiences. If you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Goodbye.